YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama, because we're lady over here. And y'all, I don't know why this is moving. It might be too heavy. Not sure. So y'all, in this video, I decided to treat myself to some sneakers. They were on sale, might I add. And y'all, I just wanted some Converse. Like, ain't nothing like a good old pair of Converse. And y'all, I decided to treat myself. I was on Converse.com searching and searching, just looking, and they actually have where you can customize your own shoe. And I was like, yeah, but some just told me go check out the clearance. I always used to, I always like to check on the clearance section before I actually check out. And it was crazy because just the other day I was on Instagram, and I showed my mom these Chucks, and they were like the platform Chucks, and she like, that's something you'll wear. A couple of days later, when I am on Converse looking at Chucks, looking at something similar, and y'all, I came across these bad boys right here, Converse. So y'all, these are I have the paper right here, the Runstar Motion, and I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. They're called the Runstar Motion. And I think this is from their Pride collection that they just recently have. As you see, it has the Pride colors. But y'all, I got them because they're fire. I got them because they're just so unique looking. And when I heard that they were like a collector's item, I thought, oh yeah, I gotta get them. Y'all, look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Uh-oh. So y'all, I purchased these in a size 12 because I wear 11.5 in Nikes, and I actually had purchased over the summer, I had purchased some Amazon dupe Converses, and I got those in a 12, and those just fit so perfectly. So yes, I got these in a men's 12. And in the inside, they say, I don't think it shows. I'm trying to with these long nails. And the inside, it says family unit. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says family unit. Converse at the bottom. It has like this ombre effect. It's like a red, orange, yellow, greenish lime. What am I pointing to? Greenish lime, blue, and then like a indigo purple. And I thought these were so cute, y'all. So these were on sale. They don't have the price. Hold on, y'all. I know. Let me see if they're still on there, because I know they were like 80 something just on the website. But I was able to get, I think, a 10% discount. And I think a 15% student discount. And then I want to say with tax, I only paid like, it was like $85 or $89, if that. But it was still like 80 something. So we can say like 80, like $87 if we want to meet in the middle. But let me see if they still have them. I'm checking my phone, y'all. Excuse me. What are they? The Converse, Runstar, Motion. See, like even on StockX, they're selling them for $130. Flight Club $159. Saks has a different version for like $130. So yeah, y'all, these was normally $120, and they're on sale for $79.97. And you can use Klarna. because that's what I use. Thank you. So yeah, like I could have gotten 11.5, but they were sold out. But I just like how a 12 fits when it comes to like Converse. So yeah, y'all, they have 3, 3.5, 4. Everything after that is sold out. Then they have 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 12, and everything other than that is sold out. So hopefully by the time that you get this video, y'all, these are fire. These are fire. I love them. And this color, it's not like a crisp white. This is more of a tan white. And then you see the front part has the rainbow color on the tongue. The back part is black. It has the Converse star, and I thought it was so cute. And I just like how the bottom, like, the bottom just looks so cute. Because, you know, like, usually Converse's on the bottom is just that back in the day flat. It's just flat. There's no arch. There's no anything. And it looks like this has, like, a slight arch, possibly. Like a slight sense of, you know, how the sole is. Haven't tried them on yet, but y'all know back in the day, I don't see how they was even playing basketball. Like back in the day with Magic Johnson, Dr. J and stuff. Y'all, they were playing basketball in old school Converses, the flat joints. How sway? So when I seen these, I said, oh yeah, I gotta get these. They're different. The laces, so country. The laces are pure white, so you can see the difference of the texture of this white and then this tan color type of white. And I thought this was cute. The front part still got that Converse little part right there. Y'all know the white part. And y'all, this is cute. Still got a gum bottom. Like these are still gum bottoms, but just the different ridges just makes this look, you know, it makes it look stunning. It stands out. A lot of people say that these do kind of make them look slightly taller, maybe an inch or two, because this is like a platform shoe technically. But yeah, I would highly recommend these if you like something different. If you don't want something so bright like this, they did have different kinds. They even give you the option where you can customize some. That was before tax, I think like $130 if you wanted to customize a pair like this, like basically doing your own colorway and stuff like that. But thinking about doing that maybe for like my birthday or something. But y'all, these are cute, or like a special occasion. But I thought these were so fire, so I definitely got to put these away. Y'all know I always put my shoes in a Tupperware container because it helps, you know, keep it from the elements or getting anything on them. I would say that this is like a summer shoe. I wouldn't even wear this in the spring because, you know, it rains a lot in the spring. Yeah, it rains in the springtime, so I would definitely, just to play it safe, wear these in the summertime. So these things is about to get put up until next year. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. These are fire. Let me just show y'all. Just look at that colorway. Just nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye. So y'all, had to come back, and they're fat feet friendly. Just had to come back and tell y'all, because I just had to try them on real quick. They're fat feet friendly. See you on the next one.